I greet the whole of you, my brother. You guys are trying. With you guys. Yeah, Osalobwa Obuyobuto, Mr. Obasui, the great Obasui. Yeah, thank you. Today is a very good message to Orion community. Our setting now, or setting for them, because where I when I go, unda I was say, mostly Urunik Benebu. Monday, my brother, thank you for watching. May the Spirit of God be with you. Osato Obasuyi, my godfather, a man who tell me, prove everybody in Urugbe community, we are there for you. We are there for you. If they arrest you, we dey. Abuja, Osato. London, Osato. Austria, Osato. Osato Obasuyi, Oyo Samu. Osamu was a great man in Urugbe community. That is not the issue. But the truth of the issue, I'm here because of Edo State House of Assembly. Today, I want to talk about Edo State House of Assembly. This message should hit the house as far as Edo State House of Assembly is concerned. Wagewa Dekawa. The truth of the issue, there are people in Edo State House of Assembly representing Orion South constituency. There are people representing Uwunde. There are people representing Ego. There are people representing Ikpoba-Oha as far as House of Assembly is concerned. Ima wagiwa wania. Uni magiwa ewa jenima. Yawasi taleme wa we are one, the same party. We are the same party, and at the time we are one. We fought together and we win. You being House of Assembly today is a message from the Marxists. You have to believe me. We send you that message from House of Assembly. Go and represent us. Represent him for peace to reign. Monday, my brother, listen carefully. Don't go offline. Everybody is complaining about Godwin Obaseki. But it's painful that some people should remember I'm from a God community. Oviego Eihi. Omarego no represented House of Assembly. No concern a God community. You understand? There is somebody there. Nimamula Javego community where area House of Assembly yari representing man. Nimi ya make na man mabe ahwe. Now the gbina no manore God ni gbina to make sure where it go will be okay. Omare Ikpoba-Oha ni mamula dian where omana wa ma is a graduate or wa seva or wa dolimaji emi die without pushing there from Ikpoba-Oha. Get it to House of Assembly. What you Ikpoba-Oha by building hotel. House of Assembly member, you have a hotel that worth millions. House of Assembly member, who have a hotel no worth 20 million. My brother, to God who made him go if you want the Lord. Yeah, Tori, emi do wa gbona ira mi o. He ma give you what $1 son, he ma give you what $1 fan. But what be saying Edo State House of Assembly, message to Edo State House of Assembly. All your richness, he might give you $1 because my name is Ogbuwa. Heart attack or Ogbuwa. A heart attack or Ogbuwa. Keke stroke. He might give you what the Lord. When he might get House of Assembly, no matter you know who you are. He can manage you why. He might give you what. He might give you what the property want. He might tell you what son. He might tell you what fun. He might be. We are going to buy your property from your children. Believe me, my brother. We know the sickness of the big men. You cannot escape it. The two sicknesses you will have: heart attack, hypertension, stroke, or a portion well. Message to Edo State House of Assembly members. A man who we send to House of Assembly to represent us, and he failed to represent us. You put everything on the governor's head. Are we so foolish? You forget say person day where they represent your consequences. They will tell you Idenua. You will go to House of Rep abi. No, my fish must kill our life. No problem. My fish problem. But by then, problem yasere. A problem igbato. That to the House of Rep. Ade. E kan perironigbe. My brother. E la ronigbe. Because a starboard of Bakekan. E ume ronigbe. Omaye say. It's a message to us of assembly member that the masses send that go and represent us. You are building houses, you are building school without representing the people that send you there. If I not get work here, you are controlling many words in your consequences. What have you done so far? I'm not, to be precisely, I'm not talking about my community. Because why? We are in power. This is the time to talk. And we will talk, and we will talk. Why? I don't, please go and get that from there. Ilenoko. Wahala me. Wa kan be sire na because bombe be ladian. Bombe gege ladian. O ladian no ladian. O no paro no yin ame. Mumari sesiadi, mumari oko, mumari anywhere. I'm ready to fight. On the 6th is my father's birthday. I don't care. People is calling me from America, different places. JB and Saboro, what is going on? Who do we send to House of Assembly to represent Oyobo South? Zero. Nobody. Zero. You are building a hotel. Wa bolowa afe. He ma agree with the Lord. Muna they say amen. All the old houses where they build, as fast as we send they go House of Assembly, will follow their children by. He ma agree with what the Lord. He ma all the old diasporans, all Togberians all over the world, they follow our children. Bam! Why am we going here with social media? Near different one. A time we come, we know your sickness. A man while you only proud. Police go they guide you 24 hours. He lost. Go they blow. Wow. Otarebo, a strokey, either stroke or a partition. Because sometimes you will get like 30 trailer. Your trailer, if you fall for Kanu, a trailer made Logomaswene. Ijebe, a hotel no reckon one dog again, Logomaswene. Ima ge warieba, no do represent him. Mama ge one day when we go lawa. I know of House of Assembly member who have a stamp board in Ronigbe community. A stamp board of Bakekan. What have Ronigbe? A stamp board of Bakekan. Or a garage. Before you take a wood and bury your way, my boy for Imana boy, we me. Imana have stamp board you any. We me. Then the stamp board you were. I give it a or a garage. People watching me. They can see the stamp board there. Even those people that is in Rodigbe, a stamp board they walk here. Wa bole hotel. Wa view we Canada view ya. ire government na go do ya do level yi Uronigbe. There is no one road to my community. Odave. After all, in Odave Wana, people will not be putting the blame on Obaseki. God will Obaseki. The governor have already been there like a king. There, excuse me, my brother. Let me bring my voice down. All my brother is watching me. Please load that plasma. My brother is watching me. I want to tell you people something. Don't blame the governor. If you hear Donibun, Wamaim in Osunuwedo State, this is a secret. Niatamuwana. In every ward, there is a person representing you. As I speak right now, there is somebody representing you in House of Assembly, even in House of Rep in Abuja. For you shouting Godwin Obaseki, why not shout that person's name? Inorio Mossad, Asoro, Honorable Asoro is representing Orion South, the Uronigbe, Ugboko Ward. Abiyobaveya, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not a good politician, but I'll be working with them. Honorable Asoro is representing Orion South. They will know you. Share this video. Let this video get to Honorable Asoro. Asoro have forgiveness. Have forgiveness. Keni mama ya gui. Nina kamawe. Ina block ukbo Uronigbe. Ina kama Asoro na we. What have you done? Share this video. Let this video get to Asoro. Why Uronigbe? Udegbe were uwu the second term. I block all the road. Ina ruere le lukbo ya fe. Since that day, Honorable Asoro have forgiveness. Ya ve tie baba. Baby ya je na. Uronigbe we no je emwefo me. Ya wa se ba ni ayi. It's not a personal issue. It's a massive issue. Ya blame Asoro. It's not blame Asoro. You got blame Asoro. I will not blame Honorable Asoro. On one condition. 2 honorable in Uronigbe community. What do we achieve? Oh! Viegbe moi. 2 honorable in the Uronigbe community. What do we achieve? You are blaming another person. What do we achieve? 2 honorable in the Uronigbe community. You might achieve it. We achieve 0%. Honorable Etosa Ogbegwi was House of Assembly. As I speak with you. 0. Etosa Emao, Manu Uronigbe, Manakwiko, Manakwefo. And I'm Ogiri Ahiri. Hatred and selfishness. Hatred and selfishness. Etosa Emao. Etosa is not my good friend, but it's my father brother. I believe in my father burial. Etosa Ogbegwi will be there. I cannot chase him out because why? He's my father brother. We are all playing politics in my father burial. Honorable Etosa Ogbegwi or Tian Sabono, he will be there. All his boys, some of his boys, they are my brother. They will be there. Hatred and selfishness. We plan a crook. We push Etosa away, and I will get him. Honorable Gary. Friday will get him the barrister. We all agree. Go. They say Uronigbe people. They say Uronigbe people my community. They plan another crook again. They chase him away. 2 hours of assembly in Uronigbe. The youth of Uronigbe cannot visit any office in Edo State as I speak with you right now. The youth of Uronigbe have no office to visit. As I'm talking with you right now, I'm in Abraka. I'm in Abraka right now to have a meeting with my friends, my brothers, my beloved brother, Delta State blood. Esage Delta Gweme, Esage do Gweme. Because Emmanuel Medo, who know my senior brother very well, can testify. Bishop, MD, Idosayi, over here we're not doing piano. You have a lot of churches in your Kokove. But at the end of the road, I move away to start a life again. A worry now. That is why he that will be. Iwe mi get do because if you do my gbade so House of Assembly va onigbe ma mi pa ni aya ewu oge eto sa ma o ogere aki e ma mana khuli akwa wagata wa ta ma gbe eti ma mi ni ma o forget the past if you write anything nonsense here oga owo le gbe mi video me wute yawo una wa gbe ni nonsense wa ye ma maybe not be you and just say the quarrel that day you call this a talk now say na people if you just write any wa be nonsense we owo le gbe e ma na owo le gbe mi video na get them matter here is the voice of the truth let's just be sincere honorable Odubu ọmọ tí ó sáré manamu mani bi ro nigbe owe kwepo at the end of the road and I walk by we give ma ana mu fo ana mo gere akiri the say o gere akiri again mani bi ro nigbe na ave fi omo bo ana kwefo today we wagi yona mo ro yaku egwibo wa ekeyin mi re na it's a parable tortoise don't build the house come from heaven wetin be the house of tortoise na be the back excuse me my plasma is disturbing I gotta off it up okay now I'm talking about Honorable Asoro. If Asoro fans is here, do you know what they will ask me? They will ask me, Mr. Imade, you have 2 House of Assembly in your community. What have they done? That's what they will ask us. I'm not afraid of anybody. He can't log on Agbe because I was born and brought up with operation. Sorry. Imalu eladian operation eye me ya biome ewu elaladian operation eye me ya biome Imalu eladian imo anything big you anything please stop calling me. I will be happy for you. Stop calling me, just watch this video. Ionu wa ni bi edo wa ga eso ni Obaseki ma ever. The reason I said it is this because Obaseki beni ma mi Oba ma talk me he said respect my senior brother Baba Capable Mr. Imade I greet you. My boss, respect. My junior brother, Monday, from Imade family, I greet you. I've been in Benin since yesterday, but God so kind. I'm in Delta State as I speak with you right now. I want to take my breakfast. Taking my breakfast, I will still keep on talking to you guys. I want you guys to really know what is going on in Edo State. Have it to believe somebody is representing you. Don't get it twisted. I know what I'm talking about. I'm not a fool. Iya wo le gbe ni enwe House of Rep. Wala Oriomo, una open na eye. No let person when he get only stand board when he take House of Assembly for your community. No let am campaign con your community. One already the hospital. Wa send go get YouTube wa. We ọ̀rẹ́ ni agin moto isu ẹpọn ẹmí wu a politics no ọ̀wọ̀n náà who were dey politics is 0% no you have nothing you have done so far as far as the community is concerned they send you again you dey go House of Rep. So now Honorable Asoro is the one representing Oriomo South. I will urge him to tell me èmi pano ewu ye Oriomo ewotore alefo abeti emefo emefo Asoro will never pick your call but on every level one level even ro pa today he go buy ya erirewe benirabe wa ne fanse wa ka me na odiro ni gbe odo mu me of it in the story. The story na time my ever na one tie where come out for science follow us go. Na know the story. 24 hours we dey. Today, many of them they are planning. You want to go to House of Rep. Where some will still plan mark to the date. The same House of Assembly members, they will plan again to impeach Godwin Obaseki. Let me leave this food. It's a very big story. The same House of Assembly member, a time to come, mark to the date. The same House of Assembly member, a time will come, while some of them will move again. They will plan to impeach the government of the day. But it mark to the date is a word of a prophet from Urunigbe community. I see some members betraying Godwin Obaseki. What? Take a pen. If you are watching me, take a pen. If you are take a pen, say yes. Without no yes, I will not talk again. Because it's a vision. It's a vision. Take your pen. If you have take your pen to write today's date, write yes. Without no yes, not here we talk again. I see a House of Assembly member in Edo State betraying Godwin Obaseki before some time. Take a pen. Without no pen, you will not get the full message. If you are with your pen, say yes. If you are with your pen, say yes. I see House of Assembly in Edo State divided into two without the notice of the deputy governor. But then we're going to say that the deputy governor is the one that planned the crook. It's a lie. Ebo guana. Ebo guana. Ebo or guana. Ije church. Esu iwakin. Believe me, Ebo ega. Igo lokun. Ige sago. Oho buikin. Imano geme ya Imano gele yeme kakabo. It's then a House of Assembly of Fian Yeva. Before some time, why you marry? What the battle was meditated now you talk. House of Assembly will be divided into two. Before a year and 6 months. Before a year and 6 months, share this video. House of Assembly will be divided into two again. Before 1 year and 6 months. I thought say video. I see Edo State House of Assembly divided into two. I see some people say that Philip Shaibu is the one that planned the crook. It's a lie. Oma Opa, Oma Eva. Philip Shaibu was any quiet in the face. Idioji. When I know Shaibu during the time of Ogirakin, House of Assembly member, Friday Ogirakin, a very nice man from my community. The man Kwekbo, and I Kwekbo na Kuviere for. But the man was so very lucky on one condition. On the Bowa Urunigbe. Olokuna bless her. Any Urunigbe citizen who builds us in his community, he must progress. Okay, I can have no building. And I can have one on the Bowa here everywhere. I see House of Assembly cut into two. Honorable Shaibu, the deputy governor of Edo State, will be accused. But it's a 0% amount of my ever. The selfishness of the members of the House of Assembly, that is what will lead to that incident. Believe me, if you ask me tomorrow, I will not know again. But my video will prove me. I see Edo State House of Assembly divided into two. In a year time. To 6 months. 1 year and 6 months time. Can happen a year. Can happen in 1 year and 6 months. Take a pen and write it and share this video. Edo State, my brothers and sisters, if you boko, wage you here, Pobaka no sleep. Igwebe no sleep. No be God, no be our problem. Now he get best, he get one man where we send, make he go represent us. Una forget, say we get one person for House of Assembly. They buy big motor. What the motor no kwa? He might give you what the law. ya itoge ya devo mi awa devo geso mostly wara no wa represent orion I must buy for na pikin o imana ragun my children will buy don't worry we will buy from it buy big one down because as my children dey grow yan do give we there we were 100 million we are going to naira million from million billions 0%. Wow, a motor no kunkun wa gidele omo no gbina no we ya areas of assembly although me we say that in recession you are a foolish man ukin una forget you have task of assembly you have a place to go my brother plan your crook well can pay the Ronigbe the American association they are in my back unless those American association from Ronigbe community you Ronigbe from America unless they don't know what some of them unless if they are biased because I trust my people they are not biased unless the community they are sleeping when the man get we represent him Mohammed Gima Mpo Gima we say wa una belo hotel aso aro Jesutu o atuta hotel we they go rebel you inshallah yeah me go rebel you because on one condition him we give us good road give us electricity give us good education give our children good living upon the zero you take our money to China to go and store there after all we will be blaming the governor agamioba amekave let me call like this Moscow Monday reason this thing if they see Oba wetin they see no be ekave after ekave you will hear Isekure those are title in Oba palace okay now matter wey no concern Oba where now ezoregwa all will represent ekavenoke uronigbere ewe abua can you bounce to the omonoba direct what if you not get to the ekave no representing man from Ronigbe to be presiding well I don't know about this matter tomorrow come try and see Oba and now we put you there may you represent Ronigbe may we think now everything Obaseki Obaseki don't get hand for wetin there those states it's our governor na message na dey send those people wey dey house of assembly na wetin we tell us wetin we tell them say we need and they go dey tell governor Obaseki cannot supersede all the 18 local government it's not done a governor ọrẹ ewosi va hwe ọrẹ de ọna gi are ewosi the man we sent to House of Assembly representing Ewosi Ward, Ronigbe Ward, where if you never know who do where say it's not that easy, man. Believe me. Honorable Asoro has no forgiveness. Any forgiveness. Why were me? Honor we Yamawe. Oh Yamawe. But at the time, if no concern anywhere, I would be concerned. Can my wife ya kan we na odo do Ronigbe yi na retire yupo ya kole yo mo fo me ya me problem e ze yo e na ya diva message to ide Jude Honorable Jude ogwe wa we ro we gbe Honorable Jude from Ipobayi you know me very well look me menakina message to Honorable Jude ide menakina John Buimade you know say we dey do your election I wan remember you if you no remember again Ariogiyada after Guinness Ariogiyada Rize share this message let this message get to Honorable Jude ide Honorable Jude ide Imawe Muweye Babe Watu, if I'm not mistaken. No ahia, no ya dole, Bubai Nima. I was born and brought up in different locations. No sena so many ime yobo. Ina rele ahia. I stay in Ikpobayi, I stay in Agbo Park, I stay in Agadagudu. Any Benin man know place where they call Agadagudu TV Road as a very very whatever boy. I cry. You know, I stay in Upper everywhere. But the truth of the issue goes like this. He said there, your mouth I thought they fly for head. He said he there, Honorable Jude. He said there, you have nothing good you have done so far. As far as Ikpobayi is concerned, I want to tell you. If your parents know you, you want to get you boy. Mommy, your parents I get whatever no want chicken. Then say you go there and go chop chicken. He said he there. Honorable Jude. He said there. Then say you go make go chop chicken. Una all to dey do transfer for women. Excuse me, my people. A transfer ya wahu abe House of Assembly member na. A transfer if you see their girlfriend from Uniben Abraka iyan ki boutique ne ihu. Osi e utare emiamowo wa e logo e stroke your gbuwa. A portion wa nikin. House of Assembly member when they not do well. Na stroke that be una portion. Excuse me. Yes, as I was saying, any House of Assembly member normally say FLA a stroke or ukoi. As far as Urunigbe community is concerned, entire Orion or another entire Edo State, if you are one of the House of Assembly member, because this message is to House of Assembly member, you need to do something, my brother. Do something. Because the reason is this: when we send you to House of Assembly is to represent us, good and fine. Now you have nothing you've done so far for 8 years or another 4 years. Now you are preparing for House of Rep. You can't make it, my brother. Believe me, we know say they take back to take the right time. But I will assure you, there was a man from Ronigbe community that was rebel. His money was collected, millions. He was my boss. Today, he lives in America. He come to this in Nigeria. He wanted to contest for House of Rep. The wicked politicians, the old ones, they took the money without giving him the power. But today the man is doing well. He never cared. Oteme, we make a okay, well, can you go House of Rep? Maybe you see people of that hotel again. I'm not jealous about what you have. Are you representing the people? Since you are representing Orion Musa, what have you done so far? Zero. Where were they there? Or you dey give? See, good and fine. Obaseki, they there, our governor, His Excellency, Honorable Erimanogi, Otuta Yekiti. Now una be the Ekame. Where be say if we complain give una complain give am. E don see worry una one day say make una come go show me project wey una don do. Oviere worry wa. My brother, go represent your place where men dey wey go rebel against you. A time to come. You fit not believe, you fit believe. Boys dey the town when e be say yes, iya move where you go. Now dem say you that message say oga go represent us. And the boy na no go get anything. You come dey waka for street. You come dey see your mansion. Dey see mansion, and you no tie road. Mata ukpo. Uma stay boy o. Uma ri go dey widow. Wey no get husband, you no give her money. Oh, my brother, uma ri go dey widow. A widow name odo. Uma ga go niyan. Uma ri yan yin wina. Wa dele machine ya lẹ́yìn. a machine ya locker ugae ugawe uwemi my brother who ale it's time to call you we run there is unu dey one election go soon start no come house of rep we know the house of assembly member that is good we know those ones that is anything on their pocket emi amen owo wa logo na o salo wa caven wa ijesu wa caven wa o caven wa so caven wa va any house of assembly member they get their sickness the sickness not too big na stroke imari ba sin imunu wa ese ba disturb me ni get ba ese ba wu your vocal ko be we video na wa mi vocal mo pogbe wo ro yeke wait all easy una house of rep house of rep very cheap we are going to we will damage your image on social media we will condemn you on social media and we will tell people who you are we will show your house on social media we will tell them for social media say see your building when you were in house of assembly so which means we are like house of rep you will buy all the house wey we get for Oronigbe when you have nothing you have done so far only one starboard shanbe house of rep mamo gbogbo e worry abokan ma Akabe Emechani we go dey flog politician koboko they too dey do us ojoro you see that music no be bad music they need to dey flog una koboko because why una no dey try person wey dey fight for you zero if they ask you tomorrow you go say nothing you no do anything why una dey do like that my brother we no dey quarrel if you know say you dey go house of rep say you dey house of assembly now go check the consequence wey you dey represent if you get wetin you made mistake you lay foundation there you no complete am oga go complete am everybody don wise we are wise in there you see endsars you see the story no be here the story spoil everywhere my brother erioboyo so dey talk so men dey lawyer dey everywhere ehunu or you set the baba now you see many lawyers when you go fall out for different corner they start dey prove you oh wow where come on where if the boy don time what I know how do you get money to get this house how do you get money to get this access how do you get money to get this mansion how you say you are a house of assembly member why one wanted 30 million for wetin na you use come because say we say we quiet wetin you do for my village wetin you do for Evosi you go Evosi you go pet school you say you work oga na riye na wallahi ọgbẹni alẹ ẹnyẹn agbẹ alẹ wàá di house of rep ẹ tún wà campaign adé èyí wà become mú wá o ìyàwó no level leader guy if you give am money go take one na give me money for garage I take Nosa was my evidence he was a boy to Honorable Asoro when the matter set Nosa called me Nosa is in London now Nosa my junior brother Nosa my everything Nosa a man with wisdom he called me he say what happen I told her Honorable Asoro is your friend I said Honorable Asoro is my friend what happen I said but he has not done anything in my community wọ́n represent him ah wọ́n mẹ́rin nù ewu think I'm happy with you when you were ever anywhere he block you where he didn't maybe go anywhere why ain't there now so that once about plan they could cover one plan there the family member why anywhere anything Moscow you are watching me yeah who or inna disappear Honorable Asoro or Mume the only time aware ignite development Oronigbe Asoro even video Oronigbe he has not done anything Honorable Asoro ume nu Oronigbe ume kan veri efenu wa many glory wa gbewe wa that you very only my brother what dey happen sef no hold on like that hold on my brother and the verse hold on we be the same PDP hold on one day share this video let the video get to him Asoro have no one thing in Oronigbe community you are representing me what have you done so far to win or fight for the election we are not together. My brother, he may make who? He may trust you. My brother, he may trust. I'm telling you, I have no choice. What are you not saying? What bole hotel? What bole that a 12 Jamie? Who is a fool? If you don't need him, I don't go where. Or go, we don't need to live here. Or a boasoro, if you don't need to live or billion or billion or billion of van. And you remember people and the movie with Honorable Boasoro telling us that everything is okay. I'm going to be my wife. I'm going to be son. Ereme ọwọ́ ìsúnwẹ́nà ìwé ìrìkùn ìmáwéèrìkùn mẹ́dẹ́ ìmáwé ìwáwé ẹ̀gbẹ́nà lọ́kọ́ jẹ́ polisi wẹ́rẹ̀ ní àdọ́mú ẹ̀ ẹ̀gẹ̀ pẹ́gbẹ́ mẹ́fọ́dà gíyàrá àdọ́mú ẹ̀ ìmáwé ìwáwé ẹ̀gbẹ́nà ọkì sẹ́ ìdẹ́ ìnọ̀rọ̀ ìmáwé àrọ̀rọ̀ wá títí fọ́kọ́pọ̀ ọ́ ní ìpòpá ìwòdọ́ pẹ̀lú ìbáyìí náà wọ́n àwọn òsàkóyọ̀ kó dín àwọn alọ́wẹ́ ìsẹ́ ìdẹ́ ẹ̀ òwe wádìí ọwẹ́fò òmẹ́kẹ̀rù rìyé. Jude, he said, then you are a failure to Oregbene. If I didn't know, Savannah, I saw all where would you have for me? Why Apollo? Why? EFCC will prove you. And worry. Who will be busting him? Let's just see. Come look at the bandits. You cannot use them and lead them. What have you done so far in the community? I know some boys will tell you, rebel against him. Yeah, told you. And then no movement. If I'm on a ladder. Where am I me JB where me? You don't stand with me. Beg you, calm down. No matter now one reason. What represent Ronigbe? Evosi. Ugo. Why you a speed break. What they call now? Not be speed break. Speed break. The motor just slow down. No good house. No good school. Asoro we must send on more a polytechnic Hilarion. Wa koke hotel where we jaro your life wa gogo unu do igbe ba go check your age now may you know how many Christmas when you remain for your life we check age where no we unu Christmas no take your life for where share this video let it get to House of Assembly paper in Edo State unu devil always one go governor for who wa help picture I give you people 1 year and 6 months. No, you cannot be going to be a contest. Why do you? Why you go now? All the Lord, why do you wow? And do why do you? Hey, one boy, my children will back on your children if I'm not alive because I'm saying the truth. All your house here, if you know the Lord, if my go what the Lord, why Apollo you talk? We will back from your building. Your beauty will back. We know no sickness, heart attack, either heart attack, hypertension, or stroke. Let this trust me, let they keep big man. Oh, my wife, before you know, he never come bend like this. Or fool. A stroke is real. I am you stroke. On your big man was a reggae community, was a reggae man not representing. And who me here only was a rigoni. When you go to hypertension, you can be having 1 billion. 8 billion account. One day you already see your money where you can say, hey, you owe me. I have 20 billion in my account. Before you know, me just go back. It taxi what below it. Your hand will come back. Medicine not the whole hand. I had regable. If I am not regable, 0%. Well, I leave everything for God. Whatever you people do, I wish you guys good luck. Odiomo will live to remember me. 5K. 5K, no. According to Sakweno Kudi, I'm 5K. Jumbo Imade. The JP of Ronigbe community. I'm about to leave you guys. Share this video. The Spirit of God be with you guys. Let this video get to Honorable Asoro. And he said, Jude, he said, let this video get to them and let this video get to government house. Anybody that have access, do that now. May the Spirit of God be with you. Thank you for watching. This is Movie Fire. No have a problem with anybody. We are fighting for development. Development must take place. Thank you. as you watch the video, no joy. Don't take side. Don't take side, believe me. Monday, my brother, don't forget what I told you. Anytime you found that you did not discover me, you know where to go. You know the people you will cry about. I'm watching you since I told you, MD, my brother, you live in Germany. Since I tell you don't go, watch this video, you will be there with me. Anytime you see that you can't find me, House of Assembly member, mostly Honorable Asoro, I don't have problem with him, but we need development in our community. You have nothing I have done so far. Why you know even your woman? We are calling on Honorable Asoro before we make another step again to another position. We don't know. People should share this video. Informer, you know, say you get informer. Share this video, make this video reach out. The one when we can still do that here, it's still inside my phone. I'll share that one very soon. Make the whole world see her. How can you leave my community on darkness? How can you leave my community without no road? So my brothers and sisters, thank you for watching. We are not afraid of anybody. See you tomorrow. May the Spirit of God be with you guys. Share this video. Let it touch everywhere. Thank you. Bye bye.